Here we have the Blue Gizmo Econopump oil filter machine. This is how will it arrive to you. I'm going to run you through the parts and the assembly of the unit. So here's the filter paper, packet of filter paper. Here is the hose, the push bar, slips in the back like that. We have the pre-filter frame and pre-filter mesh bag. Here's the pump. A set of gloves, always handy. That's the up pipe for the pump. And a set of instructions. Always good to read over those. And in the bottom of the tank we have the filter insert. That's the filter paper slips over the top of that. So with the pre-filter mesh bag, it just simply clips onto the frame. Now this is designed to catch all the larger crumbs from the bottom of the fryer, and it saves your filter paper so much. Like that, and that's a washable bag too, you can just simply wash that out. So this is called the up pipe. So this just simply screws into the base of the pump. This. Just nice and firm, not over tight, just hand tight. Now this is the filter insert that we put into the filter paper. So it just simply slides in like this. See how you match up the hole, like that. And you fold the excess paper over. So here's the filter paper in position. We slide that straight into the bottom of the tank, like so. The pump with the up pipe in position just sits on the bar here. You line it up with the hole in the bottom of the tank and it slips in like that. The power cord just tucked to the back. Here's the hose. Pop it into the retaining section there in the tank. And the coupling right into the top of the pump. Lift your safety pins like this. There's a safety pin there. You push down on like that. Give it a test. Make sure it's firmly in, and your safety pin comes through the top like that. Here's your pre-filter mesh bag and frame. Sits at the front, and then you wheel it up, ready for filtering.